Hey guys, Andres here. Today we are going to replace the engine and cabin air filters on this Honda CRV. All we are going to need are the air filters, a screwdriver, or a 8mm socket. The difference between air filters is that one is for the purpose to clean the air going into your engine, and the other one is cleaning the air going into the cabin. The first step is to remove 4 screws, as you can see here, on each corner. As you can see, this air filter is a little bit dirty, and I'm going to change it either way since I already have a new one. Now just put in the new filter. Screw everything back and you are done with this one. For the cabin air filter, start by opening the glove compartment and pushing on each side to let it drop, as you can see here, and push down on this clip so it can fully drop. Now we have access to the cabin air filter and we just need to remove this cover. And it's always good to compare the new and the old filter just to make sure you have the right size. Make sure the arrows on the air filter are pointing down. Here is the old air filter, and as you can see, it's brown, and the other side is white, meaning the air was flowing from the top to the bottom. This is my new air filter, and I'm just making sure the arrows are pointing down and it's ready to put in. It's time to put everything back. If you suffer from allergies or pollen, I highly suggest that you change your cabin air filter every spring or more often if needed. We are done. Thank you for watching and have a good one.